In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we become in favor of certain people so much to the level of excitement. We become excited that this person is very good, very good, very good, and this person is very good for me. This person is very good, very, very good for me. We develop a sort of picture and a sort of image like this one about someone else. And we are so desperate, we become so desperate to get closer to them. We become so desperate to get closer to them, to enjoy their company, to seek the benefits, and to somehow change our life for better. But the trouble is that the things which seem so good, which seem so exciting, which seem that much beneficial, might not be that much beneficial, rather could be quite hurtful, quite be, could inflict certain losses, troubles, pain, psychological, emotional pain upon us. That is why it is important, it is really important, it is very important not to focus, not to concentrate upon one side alone, rather, always remain eager. There are certain people I have seen, I am recalling, I have seen a person who was so desperate to get his opinion balanced. Getting the opinion balanced means that if at all he has seen the plus effects, the beneficial effects, the good thing, the good qualities about someone else, then he will become desperate to find the bad things about the same people person about the same thing, so that he could become a balanced human being, so that he could get the real and the realistic picture. We become so much excited about the goodness of certain people, about the benefits of so many some people, that we are now willing to listen. We are so much impressed and we are so much excited that we are absolutely unwilling to listen to the negative effects, to the bad effects, to the bad qualities of that particular person. This is something very unfortunate, and many of the people, many of the people have been stung this way, have been bitten this way, have been looted and cheated this way. Their lives have become disturbed because of this way. Their lives have become disturbed this way. Why? Because they trusted too much someone. They trusted too much someone, which was absolutely wrong. We should not be trusting that much to someone else, because it is very dangerous. Why it is very dangerous? Because the people, they are showing actually something else, but they are something else as well. They are not the same. What they want to show, they from outside, they are not so from inside. That is why trusting too much upon the people, upon someone else, it is very dangerous, it is very bad, it must be avoided, it must not be done. No one could be that much good to you, believing in it, that no one could be that much good to you. If at all you have found someone, if at all you have come across someone else who is extremely good for you, then there are quite a lot of chances there are huge amount of chances that you are going to be stung from there, you are going to be bitten from there, and your life is going to be disturbed because of that particular person. So if at all you do want to stay stable emotionally, psychologically, and economically, and otherwise, then it is very important, and very important indeed not to trust someone that much else at all. Not to trust someone else at all. And trusting is okay up to an extent, but being that much impressed by someone else, it is suicidal. I'm saying it without any exaggeration. There is no exaggeration in it. That if at all you are impressed excessively from someone else, if at all you have started trusting excessively upon someone else, this means nothing, but this only means that you are going to be destroyed from the same window, from the same person. And if at all you do want to protect yourself, and you don't want to be destroyed, you don't want to be manipulated and exploited, you don't want an emotional pain, then be always ready to find the negative faults or negative things from a person, harmful things from a person, bad qualities from a person who has impressed you a lot, and so that your views and your opinions could be balanced, so that you could come to believe that no one else is absolutely and 100% right. No one else is 100% or absolutely right. Rather, there is not much difference between the people. Rather, there is not much difference from between the people. So if at all there are certain qualities, certain good qualities in a person, it also means that the same person will be definitely having certain bad qualities as well. We must explore, and we must note it, so that our opinions could become balanced, so that our opinions could become balanced. Do we want to be balanced? Definitely, definitely, definitely. Because it will protect us. Because it will protect us. Only a balanced approach will protect us. Otherwise, we are going to be looted. Otherwise, we are going to be cheated. Otherwise, we are going to suffer. And if at all we don't want to suffer, then we should must have a balanced approach. If at all we don't want to suffer, we must have a balanced approach, a very much balanced approach. Otherwise, an imbalanced approach is definitely going to destroy us, and we don't want to be destroyed. No one else wants to be destroyed. But let me assure you, and let me tell you, that the things which has impressed us a lot, the things and the people which has impressed us a lot, quite probably will become the reason, the cause behind our trouble, our even destruction. Thank you.